Christopher Nolan is not a filmmaker, he's a theoretical physicist. His movies seem more like visual essays of time and relativity. The two major things we got to know from the second trailer of Tenet was that this movie is not about time travel but time inversion. And the second is about the character of Kenneth Branagh being able to communicate with the future. Kenneth is the main antagonist. He is Russian and seems either to have supernatural abilities to invert time or have control of Tenet, which is a threat to the world. Time reversal in physics is the mathematical operation of replacing the expression for time with its negatives in formulas or equations so that they describe an event in which time runs backward or all the motions are reversed. A resultant formula or equation that remains to be unchanged by this operation is said to be time reversal invariant, which implies that the same laws of physics apply equally well in both situations, and that the second event is indistinguishable from the original. The flow of time does not have any naturally preferred direction in the case of fundamental interactions. The form of time travel unleashed by using the word Tenet seems quite similar to the concept of grandfather paradox. The grandfather paradox is a paradox of time travel in which inconsistencies emerge through changing the past. According to this concept, the time traveler can alter the present and the future just by altering the past. The word Tenet is a palindrome itself, which means you can read it the same way when spelled backwards. So maybe if the meaning and the pronunciation of Tenet is the same when spelled backwards, this itself is a metaphor. What if, just like the word, the protagonist of the film is a palindrome with respect to time? Even if you reverse the time flow of the frame in which the protagonist is present, for him time still moves forward. Maybe that is why he still is moving forward in time when the cars around him are going backwards. Just like the word Tenet is an alphabetical palindrome, the characters of John David Washington and the others can be time palindrome. Now why is John David Washington catching the bullet and not shooting it? Because maybe the bullet and the whole frame of reference around John is moving backwards. But he, along with the other characters in the frame, is still moving forward. This is just something I noticed, so I'm not sure if this actually will be true in the film. Another crazy thing I noticed in the trailer was that the characters are wearing an oxygen mask when they are in an ambush with the time still going backwards. I couldn't find a perfect explanation for that. Maybe because of the time reversal thing, the body is inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen, hence they are breathing through the masks. Or maybe because of the World War III thing, there is a depletion of oxygen in the atmosphere. I repeat, there is no perfect explanation for the masks. The character of Robert Pattinson looks quite similar to Christopher Nolan himself with the hairstyle and the dressing. He is literally playing Christopher Nolan in this scene. Now, according to Wikipedia, the movie Tenet went under the working title Merry-Go-Round during pre-productions. So why was the initial title of the film Merry-Go-Round? There can also be a possibility of a loop of time in the film and the story ends where it begins. With so many unanswered questions, I hope this film releases soon and the nearby theaters open up. And this surely will be Nolan's toughest film to understand, because people have always perceived time travel in movies moving in a forward linear direction. Even if people go in the past or future, they move forward in time. But just like in Memento, Nolan seems to have broken that rule here. But it's okay, you don't have to understand it, just feel it. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like it and drop a comment down below. You can also follow me on Instagram as I upload a lot of content over there. The link is in the description box. Okay, then I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep breathing.